What is a pre-sentence investigation? PSI. Have you ever wondered what happens after a defendant is found guilty but before they are sentenced? This is where a pre-sentence investigation comes into play. A pre-sentence investigation is a key part of the criminal justice system. It takes place after a defendant pleads guilty or is found guilty, but before the court decides on a sentence. The main goal of this investigation is to gather detailed information about the defendant's life. This information helps the judge make a fair decision about the appropriate sentence. The process is usually carried out by a probation or parole officer from the Department of Corrections. This officer interviews the defendant, their family, friends, and even the victim and their family. The aim is to compile a thorough report that covers various aspects of the defendant's life. This includes their criminal history, family background, employment status, financial situation, and any health or substance abuse issues. The report generated from the pre-sentence investigation is comprehensive. It details the offense committed, the defendant's past convictions, and includes psychological evaluations. These evaluations are important as they help assess whether the defendant might commit another crime in the future. When it comes to sentencing guidelines, the pre-sentence investigation can play a significant role. It provides context that may justify a sentence that is either within or outside the recommended range. In federal cases, there are specific rules that govern how these investigations are conducted to ensure consistency. During the investigation, the defendant has the chance to share their side of the story and express any remorse. This can be beneficial, as judges may take these factors into account when deciding on a sentence. While judges are not required to follow the recommendations in the pre-sentence investigation report, it can heavily influence their decisions. From a true crime and criminology perspective, the pre-sentence investigation is essential. It allows the court to take a more personalized approach to sentencing by considering the unique circumstances of each case. This process can also help reduce the chances of reoffending by identifying factors that contribute to criminal behavior and addressing them through appropriate sentencing and rehabilitation programs. In summary, the pre-sentence investigation is a vital step in the criminal justice process. It gathers important information that helps judges make informed decisions about sentencing, ultimately aiming for justice and rehabilitation.